She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We're doing a hair blend, and if you're new here, I take different braiding hair colors and mix them together until I achieve a new unique hair color. So today's blend, I'm blending the colors red, the color 27, and the color 350. You guys will see that here shortly, and it will create a new color. And I'm going with a, what did I call this? Royalty Rose. But if you guys have a better name that I could name this, leave it down in the comments below. I really like this color combo, and so this is not a blend request. This is just something that I wanted to try, so hopefully you guys do like it. Make sure to stick around until the end. You guys will see what this blend looks like once it's done. You'll see what it looks like as a braid, a knotless braid, as well as what it looks like as a twist. If you like this video, or if you like this type of content, then be sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell notification, and then also share it with a friend, someone you think that would be interested, or someone that you think would look good with this hair blend, and let them be able to see this. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys stay blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.